Hey guys, welcome to Bartlow's Barbecue. Today we're making barbecue candy, aka pork belly burnt ends. It's going to be fantastic and so delicious. This is a recipe that you're not going to want to miss. It's going to be a hit at your next barbecue, so stay tuned. Let me show you how we do it. Alright guys, let's set up the Kamado Joe. Today we're using some fire starters, using my JJ George little fire torch. We're using the SloRoller, where we're going to stick a few of these deep into the middle of the charcoal and get this lit up, and then have our bottom vent open, top vent open. As this gets up to temperature, we're getting the grill up to 250 to 275 today, and then we'll get it going. Alright guys, so our next step is taking this 5-pound pork belly, and you just saw me cut this up into strips, and then we're going to square it off into little cubes, and then we're going to be using Hardcore Carnivore Red today to get a nice coloring and great on pork. It's going to be delicious, and then we're going to throw it on a cooking grid like this and put it on the Kamado Joe. Be easy to take on and off. So let me cube these up right now before we throw them on the Joe. Let's season these up with some Hardcore Carnivore Red. This is going to taste so good. Get a good batch in here, and then I'm going to put my hand here and get it all mixed up. The advantage of putting it squared up like this is that means you can coat all sides of the pork belly. So I'm going to show you kind of what I mean, what that looks like, and then I'll do the rest. But look at this guy. This guy is ready to go. Seasoned all sides. It's going to have some nice airflow from that grate, and we'll do the rest. Put them on the Joe. We are at the 1 hour mark, and these are getting some great color. We're just gonna spritz these right here, just a little spritz to keep that moisture going. Although it's very fatty, obviously you don't need a lot, but you want to keep it going. Alright guys, we are going to transfer over, now that it's been on the smoker for 2 hours, to a foil pan where we are going to put some butter and also just a little bit of honey, and then cover it back up with foil and back on the smoker for another 45 minutes to an hour, to allow that moisture to get into these burnt ends. And then our last step will be to sauce it at the very end. Alright guys, now that this has gotten really nice and moist, we have hit our 3 hour mark basting this in the foil for 1 full hour, and I've already mixed each piece together to make sure it got caramelized, and you just want to see how probe tender that is. I mean, it's just going in like butter. It's amazing. So now we are going to hit the last stage with some amazing barbecue sauce. Today we're using this raspberry chipotle sauce, and I'm just gonna pour that in like that, kind of pour it in, and then we're gonna move these around, make sure everybody's swimming and gets to have a good old time. This is the final glaze, my friends. That's just gonna look incredible and taste like barbecue candy. Now we're gonna let this cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. All right, friends, we have finished cooking the pork belly burnt ends. Look how amazing those are in that sauce, and it's still kind of just glowing. I'm gonna transfer these to a cutting board and put them in a big pile, take a bite, do a taste test, and do our final review. Hey guys, we just finished up our barbecue treats. Man, these pork belly burnt ends look delicious. Get you a close up so you can see what it looks like, but man, just look at that glaze. It's time to dive in and take a bite. Oh my God. Barbecue candy. Friends, that is so delicious. I'm gonna eat the rest of it off camera, but sometimes you gotta turn it into a sandwich, just like that, and go for it again. So good. Friends, you are going to love this recipe. You have to try it. You will be the talk of your next barbecue gathering. You have to make this. It's incredible. It tastes so flavorful. I can't wait to dive in more. So friends, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, turn on notifications, buttons, and all the other stuff. Check out the channel. Would love for you to comment below to let me know what you think, your variation of this. So from my backyard to yours, remember, less hate, more love, good barbecue. See you next time.